Right now I'm attaching my plaque, which is going to go on the outside of the garage, which is kind of like the style here. My numbers on the left side, if you can see them, really small, so the plaque is too small to fit right there. I'm taking my plaque and I'm looking at the instruction sheet, which says that well, I'll show you this way. That's in Spanish. But it's saying if you have 4 numbers in your address, which we do, you're going to only drill holes marked 2 and 4. So on the back it has a template of 2 and 4, so I've already done 1. Well, my husband did 1. And I'm going to do the others.
There's genuinely no point to cut it. There's
What?
no point.
What?
Because it doesn't even look like it.
Yeah, it's okay.
There's no point cutting it.
Yeah, it's okay to cut it. Believe me. You don't want it to get like that.
It's fine the way it is.
It's easier to cut like this. I'll cut it for you.
Instead of waiting for it to grow so tall,
It needs to grow. It doesn't
No,
look like
I don't know.
it makes it harder to cut when the grass is
And
too
it's hard to
tall.
pick up the poop. I always cut it like that. No.
Yeah, then the poop gets stuck in the grass. So I'm proceeding to do.
No, you put away.
So I've already gotten 1, 4, 1, 2, and then I'm just going to do the other 2. And the other 4. Now for my numbers, I should just be able, you can see that there's holes on both sides. I should just be able to attach them, which this is my number 2. There's screws with a Phillips head screwdriver, so I'm going to do that now. I think I brought the screwdriver out. Maybe I didn't. So like me not to getting it out. Okay. I gotta go get it. Oh no, there it is. Okay. I did bring it out. Okay. I'm just going to line up this piece right here, this little piece here, to this piece. And I know the 3rd number in my address is a 2, so I already have this out of the box, and so I'm going to attach it. I'm gonna line it up with the hole.
Louis, stop. Louis, stop.
I mean, I suppose I could have drilled this in. I could have. But it's okay. I don't mind doing a little extra work. Louis, no!
Go put them in the case, Sissy.
Alright.
Louis, no, Sissy.
And that's my 2. And I just wanted to show you that this is how it came out. It came out really great. I can't wait to hang it up. That's how you do your plaque or your dress.